Hi, I'm John O'Brien, owner of Mastercraft Siding, Windows, and Roofing, based here out of Boston, Mass. What type of siding do you use on your home? Maintenance-free, long-lasting, never to paint again, and never worry about again. Here at Mastercraft, we have the solution. Welcome to our newest project here in Winthrop, Mass, right on the ocean. This is a very difficult area for a home to sustain no painting. Longevity, no rot, and basically a sidewall done for life. Let me take you through the project. Mastercraft figures to finish this project in 3 weeks. Strip the walls, put up James Hardie fiber cement pre-colored siding and PVC cement board and trim complete. See for yourself a prime example of one of the worst case New England scenarios of what an ocean can do to this not that old wood clapboard sided home. Paint doesn't stand a chance. And of course the wood is right behind it. And how warm is this wall? The maintenance on something like this for siding is out of control, and that's why the neighbors and the homeowners here in this condo unit called Mastercraft. After stripping the siding, this is the Tyvek underneath. Non-insulating, soaking wet, very bad mold, mildew buildup, and just basically old school passe. They must get rid of this, and they are. Mastercraft has installed an Energy Star rated fan fold polystyrene siding, guaranteed to save you energy, be green, and save you money. This polystyrene gets installed over the entire sidewall prior to the fiber cement no maintenance siding by James Hardie going up, giving you a warm, green, and soon to be very beautiful maintenance-free wall. We are Mastercraft, certified installers for James Hardie for the greater Boston area. Give us a call. Our work is guaranteed and backed by the factory, as we are a certified company for the installation of the best sidewall to withstand any New England weather and temperature. James Hardie and Mastercraft. Thank you.